Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What today's video is going to be is a nice, bright, colorful makeup look, and I actually just fake tanned a little bit. You might not be able to tell on screen, but I am a lot darker on the rest of my body than I am my actual face, so hopefully I can bronze myself up enough to be able to, you know, match that. So I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime spray. The next product I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild Hydration Balm. I actually just got this and I'm very intrigued with it, and I really want to test it out on camera. So twists up like this, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Feels very, very smooth. It glides a lot easier than I would have expected it to. First impressions on this is I'm liking it so far. I really hope it doesn't make my skin too oily or anything like that. I really like nice, glowy, hydrated looking skin, so I'm really hoping it doesn't do anything to, you know, make me look too glowy, like as in an oily way. Not foundation today. I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics CC cream and the lightest shade that they offer, and then I'm just going to be using my IT Cosmetics airbrush foundation brush. I really like the IT Cosmetics CC creams because they're really full coverage. I'm going to set just my under eyes and my forehead. So the next thing I'm going to use is this e.l.f. blush. It's actually a cream product. I like a lot of blush and bronzer when I do my makeup, so I like to almost go for a sunburned, bronzy, pinkish look. One day I want to do a really heavy blushed look and just do like a really cute thing like that.
Next thing we're gonna do is bronze with this travel size Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer.
I kind of like to layer my bronzer. The Physicians Formula bronzer too, just in the shade bronzer. It's not the light one, it's the medium one, I think. Now we are gonna start on the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use today is the NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and all these fun colors. And something you guys should know about me is I love fun colors for eyeshadow. I am all for neon looks and colorful. I'm gonna dip into the yellow shade right there. That yellow, and I'm just gonna pack it on the front area.
And this color is the yellow eyeshadow is my favorite color of all time to wear on the eyes. And I'm just gonna pack it on and just kind of blend as I go, because the shadow brush is for airbrush shadow is what it says.
Okay, the next shade I'm gonna take is the shade right next to it. It's kind of like an orangish, like a dark yellow mixed with orange, and we're gonna use that same brush that we just used. And we're just gonna start patting it on. So if you want to get your eyeshadows to be a little more pigmented, it's really good to start by stamping it on, because then it deposits the IT Cosmetics brush, and it is the all over shadow / crease brush. And I am just going to use this to blend out the edges slightly. Next color we're gonna use is this really, really, really pretty blue right here. And I'm just going to literally pack that on the outer corner. I don't know what I want to do for the inner corner, if I want to cut the crease. I think I do want to cut the crease. I'm going to cut the crease using the Maybelline concealer, and it's just going to be a half cut crease, not a full cut crease. I'm going to set the lid with the Wet n Wild powder, just because it's a matte powder. Right here on the rest of my lid on that cut crease part. add some lashes. And for our lashes today, we are going to be using the Kiss Look So Natural lashes. These ones. So first I'm gonna trim them just a little bit because I have really small eyes. The lash glue that I'm gonna use is the Kiss Strip Lash with aloe infused. I'm gonna put some of that on my lash. I have a cat hair on there, don't mind me. And the mascara I'm gonna use is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. It's this one. So then I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter underneath of my brow bone. And I'm just gonna use that same sleek highlighter I was using before. I'm gonna put a little in my inner corner too. The lipstick I'm gonna use today is the NYX Butter Lipstick in the shade Boardwalk. And it's a really light nude. This is my best friend's favorite shade. We are just gonna finish off by setting my face with that same MAC Fix Plus